Oh.
That who? Oh shit! That's him. He's down! Where's he going? Where did he just go? Hoy vey.
You ready to go on this trail switch here?
Damn right I am, partner.
What are you gonna do when you get to the bottom of it?
Fucking send it, dude.
I'm not lifting off this gas pedal till I see the checker flag or gone.
I did it, still recording. Yeah, oh.
It doesn't work.
Almost got it. Oh, God. Almost. Keep your speed. Keep going, keep going.
I'm in. Gravity does what it does.
You got it. How about let's focus on your fucking everything else, the basics still.
No.
This is your
I can
third
jump.
day.
Let a bird fly when he cuts off his wings.
What?
If my mother was a bicycle,
She would be a lemon.
what? How does it go?
I don't know. Oh, the fucking carbonara thing?
Yeah, it's almost like a British carbonara. If my grandmother was a bicycle, she would have wheels or something like that. If my grandmother had wheels, she'd be a bicycle.
You know what? You know what? So, you know, it doesn't make any sense what you said. It's a different recipe. It's got nothing to do with macaroni cheese. You know what?
There he is. He's just back up. You need to lean forward more.
Yeah, I noticed.
Oh.
I got stuck in the pow.
Bop, bop.
So good!
So good.
I hate that song.
I know, me too.